Okie dokie. Let's start off making this quick Tuscan chicken pasta. As you can see here, I've kind of pre-cooked, so I'm just kind of reheating some leftover chicken that I cubed up. This is about 1.5 pounds. All right, then you want to add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, about a teaspoon of basil, maybe a little bit of oregano, up to you. And then you want to stir this around for a minute. All right, then you want to add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Stir that around, let that get happy. Then you want to add a 15-ounce can of basically diced tomatoes. And then after about a minute of simmering, you want to add in 3 cups of milk, along with 2 tablespoons of flour. You're going to need the flour. It's kind of your thickening agent. And then stir that around. And I'd say let that simmer for at least a couple of minutes. Probably about 10, 15. By the way, you should have a pot of water boiling right now. Okay, and we got a pot of boiling salted water. And it's really important to salt the water because it's your only chance to season the pasta while it cooks. There's no real measurement, just a couple of tablespoons of salt for a standard pot of water. And then I added 12 ounces of penne. And remember the rule, whatever it says on the package for the minimum cooking time, take a minute off of that. Okay, now it's time to add the pasta. Now, if you want, you can add about a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese to the sauce if you like. I chose not to. I decided to add the Parmesan cheese when I served it. And of course, I served it with freshly ground black pepper. And like I said, simmer that sauce for about 15 minutes before you add the pasta. Stir this around, and like I said, this is why you take the extra minute off. Because while you're stirring this around and it's still cooking in the pan, that's where it gets the extra minute. But that's pretty much it. So that's quick Tuscan chicken pasta. Done.